Hi guys, Rob here once again, and we're here to show you how you can change your coffee to change your life. How to make an Organo Black cup of coffee. What you're going to need: a sachet of the black coffee from Organo, of course. You're going to need a spoon. You're going to need a coffee cup to put it in. And the secret ingredient, you're going to need a pair of scissors. Why? Well, I explained the other day. Because what we do is we recycle our packages and we send them away for people to make bags for life. Check this out. Okay, so we very carefully cut off the bottom of the sachet. We tip the contents of the sachet into the cup. Right, and we take some hot water. Now, I've got an electric kettle, make it any way you like. Tip the coffee in. All right, and here's the little tricky bits. You now take the spoon and you stir it 6 times clockwise. You stop, and then 4 times counterclockwise. Now, once again, because I'm in Australia, if you're in the Northern Hemisphere, do it the other way, because we all know how it spins backwards. And that's it. Now, if you prefer milk and sugar in your coffee, add it now. Some people say add it before you add the water, but that's all up for debate. There you go, 1 cup of Organo Black Coffee. Change your coffee, change your life.